Hello, it's Ciarán here, and today we're going to do a breathing practice with the Hoberman sphere. So basically, it expands and it falls back in. It expands and falls back in. Now we're going to add our breath to this. We're going to inhale as it expands and exhale as it falls back in. So try time your breath as it expands using the inhale, using the exhale as it falls back in. Excellent. So again, and exhaling. Now see if we can notice the natural pause between the inhale and the exhale. Again, noticing that natural pause between the exhale and the inhale. So one more time, exhaling, noticing the pause, inhaling, noticing the pause. Now this time, we're going to see if we can lengthen the breath. So inhale, filling up the lungs, exhale, releasing the air. And one more. And releasing the air. Now if you don't have a Hoberman sphere and you want to use this practice during the day, all you have to do is bring your hands together. So with the inhale, we're going to make that sphere with our hands. And exhale, bring the hands back together. So inhaling and exhaling. Super. And one more time. And exhale. So it's a great little practice that we can do anytime we feel like we need to. All we have to do is bring the hands together and connect with our breath.